Aloe vera, nature's miracle plant. Introduction. Among the thousands of medicinal plants on Earth, few have traveled through history with such prestige and popularity as aloe vera. Known as the plant of immortality by the Egyptians, a cure for wounds by the Greeks, and a rejuvenating tonic in Ayurveda, aloe vera has been mankind's companion for healing and beauty for over 6,000 years. Today, aloe vera is not just a plant in someone's backyard. It is the backbone of a multi-billion-dollar global industry spanning healthcare, skincare, nutrition, and cosmetics. But what makes aloe vera so unique? Why has it been revered across civilizations? And what does modern science say about this ancient plant? In this documentary, we will embark on a journey through the history, science, benefits, and applications of aloe vera, from its ancient roots to its modern-day dominance in the wellness and cosmetic industries. This is the complete story of aloe vera, nature's miracle plant. Chapter 1. The historical journey of aloe vera. Aloe vera's story begins in the cradle of human civilization. 1. Egypt, around 4000 BCE. Egyptian hieroglyphs describe aloe vera as the plant of immortality. It was not just a medicinal plant but a sacred symbol. Cleopatra and Nefertiti, renowned for their beauty, reportedly used aloe vera gel daily on their skin. Aloe was also used in embalming rituals due to its antibacterial and preservative qualities. 2. Greece and Rome, 500 BCE, 200 CE. The Greeks valued aloe vera for its healing abilities. Hippocrates mentioned it as a treatment for wounds and skin irritations. Dioscorides, the Roman physician, detailed aloe vera in his famous text De Materia Medica, recommending it for stomach ailments, hair loss, and hemorrhoids. 3. India and Ayurveda, 1500 BCE onwards. In Sanskrit, aloe is called Kumari, meaning young maiden, symbolizing youth, fertility, and vitality. Ayurvedic practitioners prescribed aloe vera juice for liver function, menstrual regulation, digestive health, and skin rejuvenation. Externally, aloe was applied for burns, acne, and inflammation. 4. China. Known as Lu Hui, aloe vera was used in traditional Chinese medicine for fungal diseases, detoxification, and digestive issues. It was considered both a cooling and purifying herb. 5. Japan. In feudal Japan, samurai warriors consumed aloe juice for strength and endurance, while applying the gel to treat wounds and cuts sustained in battle. 6. Middle Ages. During the Crusades and later in Europe, aloe vera spread as a household remedy for constipation, infections, and wound healing. Monasteries cultivated it in their herbal gardens. 7. The Americas, 16th century. Spanish and Portuguese explorers introduced aloe vera to the New World. Native American tribes embraced it quickly, calling it the wand of heaven, and using it for burns, insect bites, and skin injuries. Through millennia, aloe vera was not just a healer but a cultural bridge, appearing in rituals, medicine, and beauty practices across continents. Chapter 2. Scientific and Botanical Insights. Modern science provides clarity to what ancient cultures observed. Aloe vera's effectiveness lies in its complex biochemical makeup. A botanical classification. Kingdom, Plantae. Order, Asparagales. Family, Asphodelaceae. Genus, Aloe. Species, Aloe barbadensis Miller, the most widely used species in health and cosmetics. A physical structure. The aloe vera leaf consists of 1. Rind, outer skin tough and protective. 2. Latex layer, a bitter yellow sap just beneath the skin containing aloin, a strong natural laxative. 3. Inner gel, a translucent jelly-like substance containing over 200 biologically active compounds. A nutritional and biochemical profile. Aloe vera gel contains vitamins A, C, and E, antioxidants, B-complex vitamins including folic acid and rare vitamin B12, minerals, calcium, magnesium, zinc, selenium, potassium, sodium, iron, copper, and manganese. Amino acids, 20 of the 22 essential amino acids, including 7 of the 8 the body cannot produce. Enzymes, catalase, alkaline phosphatase, amylase, bradykinase, lipase, supporting digestion and anti-inflammatory processes. Polysaccharides, asamannan and glucomannan, responsible for immune modulation and wound healing. Anthraquinones, aloin, aloemidin, natural laxatives and antimicrobial compounds. Fatty acids, lupiol, campesterol, beta-cytosterol, anti-inflammatory and analgesic in nature. Hormones, auxins and gibberellins, aid in wound healing and have anti-inflammatory effects. This biochemical diversity explains why aloe vera works in multiple therapeutic and cosmetic domains. Chapter 3. Aloe vera in traditional medicine systems. Ayurveda. Aloe vera, or Kumari ras, is prescribed for balancing Pitta dosha. It is considered a rejuvenator, particularly for women's health, regulating menstruation and enhancing fertility. Aloe juice is recommended for liver detoxification and digestive health, while its topical gel is used for burns, cuts, and skin disorders. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. Aloe vera, called lu hui, is seen as a cooling herb, used to clear heat, kill parasites, and regulate the stomach. The latex is used as a purgative in small doses. African medicine. Aloe vera was traditionally used for malaria, infections, and wounds. In many African cultures, aloe plants were also hung above doors for spiritual protection. A Native American medicine. Referred to as the wand of heaven, aloe was applied for burns, insect stings, and digestive discomfort. Traditional medicine positioned aloe vera not just as a healer but also as a protector, symbolizing its deep integration into cultural and spiritual practices. Chapter 4. Modern medical and health applications. Today, aloe vera is backed by a growing body of research and medical trials. 1. Wound healing and burns. Clinical studies show that aloe vera accelerates healing of first and second-degree burns. Its polysaccharides promote fibroblast activity, leading to faster collagen synthesis and skin repair. Hospitals often use aloe-based gels for burn patients. 2. Digestive health. Aloe latex, containing aloin, is a powerful laxative, though now regulated in many countries. Aloe gel is studied for soothing ulcers, acid reflux, and IBS symptoms. Some evidence suggests aloe may help restore healthy gut flora. 3. Diabetes management. Studies show aloe vera may lower fasting blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetes patients. Its phytosterols mimic insulin-like effects. 4. Immune system support. Asamanin stimulates macrophages, increasing production of nitric oxide and cytokines that boost immunity. 5. Oral health. Aloe-based tooth gels reduce dental plaque as effectively as chlorhexidine, but without side effects like staining. It also helps with gingivitis, mouth ulcers, and oral lichen planus. 6. Anti-inflammatory effects. Aloe compounds inhibit cyclooxygenase pathway, reducing inflammation in arthritis and muscle pain. 7. Cancer research. Preliminary studies suggest aloe vera compounds may help reduce tumor growth and support chemotherapy recovery, though more research is required. 8. Detoxification. Aloe juice is used for detox cleanses, helping to flush toxins, support liver function, and improve digestion. Chapter 5. Aloe vera in the cosmetics and skincare industry. Aloe vera is now one of the most widely used natural ingredients in cosmetics. Its applications cover skin, hair, and personal care. Skin benefits. 1. Hydration. Its 99% water content deeply moisturizes. 2. Anti-aging, antioxidants, vitamin C, E, reduce wrinkles, improve elasticity. 3. Sunburn relief, cooling, soothing, and healing effects. 4. Acne treatment, antibacterial compounds reduce Propionibacterium acnes. 5. Hyperpigmentation, aloe soothing agents lighten dark spots and scars. Hair benefits. 1. Strengthens hair shafts with proteolytic enzymes. 2. Reduces dandruff due to antifungal properties. 3. Soothes itchy scalp. 4. Promotes growth by increasing blood flow to follicles. Cosmetic products containing aloe vera. Moisturizers, creams, serums, face masks. Shampoos, conditioners, hair serums. Lip balms, shaving gels, sunscreens. After-sun lotions, body scrubs, facial cleansers. Aloe vera's acceptance in cosmetics is global, From luxury brands like The Body Shop, L'Oreal, and Clinique to local herbal companies in India like Patanjali and Himalaya, everyone relies on aloe vera. Case study. In South Korea, aloe vera sheet masks account for millions of sales annually, contributing significantly to the K-beauty wave worldwide. Chapter 6. Aloe Vera in Food and Nutrition. Beyond skincare, aloe vera is making waves in the functional food industry. Juices and beverages. Aloe vera juice is marketed as a detox drink, aiding hydration, digestion, and immunity. Supplements. Aloe capsules and powders are used for digestive and immune health. Food products. In Japan, aloe-flavored yogurts, jellies, and desserts are popular. And nutraceuticals. Aloe is being used in fortified waters and wellness shots. However, regulatory authorities like the FDA require careful monitoring, especially of aloe latex, due to its laxative effect. Chapter 7. Cultivation, Farming, and Global Trade. Cultivation requirements. Aloe grows in arid and semi-arid regions. It requires little water, thrives in sandy loam soil, and tolerates drought. Leaves can be harvested 3 to 4 times a year once the plant matures at 2 to 3 years. Processing. 1. Harvesting mature leaves. 2. Washing and filleting to remove latex. 3. Cold pressing or freeze drying to retain nutrients. 4. Stabilization to prevent oxidation. A global trade. India, China, Mexico, and parts of Africa dominate cultivation. The aloe vera extract market is expected to surpass $4 billion by 2030, fueled by demand in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and wellness. Chapter 8. Myths versus Facts. A myth. Aloe vera can cure all diseases. Fact. Aloe supports health but is not a cure-all. A myth. Aloe vera juice is always safe. Fact. Excess consumption can cause diarrhea and electrolyte imbalance. Pregnant women should avoid high doses. A myth. Applying aloe directly from the leaf is always better. Fact. Raw aloe may cause skin irritation in some. Purified and stabilized gel is safer for sensitive skin. Chapter 9. The Future of Aloe Vera. The aloe vera industry is evolving with biotechnology, developing genetically improved aloe plants with higher active compounds. Nanotechnology, encapsulating aloe molecules in nanoparticles for deeper skin penetration. Sustainable farming, eco-certifications and organic aloe are in high demand. Personalized skincare, aloe-infused products tailored to skin types through AI-driven skincare analysis. The future of aloe vera is not just about health, it's about innovation, sustainability, and global wellness. Key takeaways from this video. From the tombs of pharaohs to the laboratories of modern science, aloe vera has remained humanity's trusted ally. A healer of wounds, a beautifier of skin, a nourisher of the body. Aloe Vera's story is one of endurance, resilience, and healing. As we step into the future, this humble succulent continues to remind us of a timeless truth, that nature, in its simplest form, holds the power to heal, protect, and rejuvenate. Aloe vera is not just a plant, it is a legacy of wellness, a miracle of nature, and a gift for generations to come. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.